This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a BMW Drivetrain malfunction. First, understand that this warning often indicates issues with the engine, transmission, or related components. Begin by checking your iDrive system for any specific error messages or codes. Sometimes, a simple vehicle restart can resolve temporary electronic glitches, so try turning your car off and on again after a few minutes. Next, let's perform some basic visual checks. Open your hood and inspect your engine and transmission fluid levels. Low fluid can trigger the warning. Also, check your battery terminals for any signs of corrosion and ensure they are securely connected. A weak battery can cause various electrical issues. Finally, look for any obvious loose wires or damaged components in the engine bay. If the warning persists, it's time for more advanced troubleshooting. Use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to read the diagnostic trouble codes stored in your car's computer. These codes provide specific insights into the problem. Once you have the codes, research them online to understand common BMW-specific issues. Sometimes, replacing a faulty sensor, like a crankshaft or camshaft sensor, can resolve the malfunction. Finally, know when to seek professional assistance. If the Drivetrain malfunction warning remains active after performing these checks, or if you notice significant performance issues, it's best to consult a qualified BMW mechanic. Complex engine or transmission problems require specialized tools and expertise. Driving with a persistent Drivetrain malfunction can lead to further, more costly damage, so address it promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.